Hi, this is my um, 2.3 proof install and configure project, which is asking me to make a virtual machine on Ubuntu server, which I have done, as you can see here. I'm gonna pause the video and go along with the rest of the project. We're following what project 2.3.2 was to basically log out, log in, back, create my file by typing touch. ls brings out the directory, so um, the command ls dash l displays the directory plus some information about the files. So it basically brings up when was it created, when was the file created. Then it asked me to create a directory, which is called my dir, my dash dir. After I type ls dash l, it brings out all the files and all the directories, which were two. After that, the instructions asked me to type alias to display all the aliases that are in the current system. And at the end, I just deleted the file and the directory that I created. Okay, following project 2.3.3 was to type cd forward slash dot, which basically um, brings up the current directory. Um, okay, so mkdir slash data1 would have to create a directory, but it does not let you do it. Um, man sudo, so manual man brings up the manual or like a description of the command. Sudo mkdir s forward slash data1. Um, so it it's supposed to create the a directory right there, but it also asks the user's password, login, and it 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 um it elevates privileges basically. The sudo. Okay, type who am I? Basically the user prints out the user, and afterwards type sudo chown. What it does is that it basically changes the the um the user's uh the owner of the file. Yeah, so that's about it for that project. I'm following the next one now. Okay, so turn this project. Um, so df brings up the data space usage of a file, which you can see here. When I type df and look for the um, data1 server1 file, it does not print up nothing because the file does not exist. Um, in several following commands, it does not print up anything. So basically at the end, it asks me to type shutdown, and once I do that, it makes a 30-second countdown for the machine to actually turn off. Now that I see I'm missing one command here, and it is following. And as you can see, no such file or directory. So in the temp history, I basically see all the last um, commands I've used. As you can see here, there are 77 commands I've done so far for this video. And to end up, I'll type shutdown, and it will give me a 30-second countdown for it. But machine 2 turn off. That will be all. Thank you.